I am Karthik and I am going to solve the question. So the question here we have is find the volume of the largest rectangular box with edges parallel to the axis that can be inscribed in the ellipsoid, and the equation of the ellipsoid is 9x square plus 36y square plus 4z square equal to 36. Now I can say that let this be g of x comma y comma z, and let this be a constant c, and g of x comma y comma z be equal to c. So we can say that the volume of fx comma y comma z will be equal to x y z, and total volume is going to be 8 times the volume of the maximized 8 times the value of the maximized function, that is 8xyz. Now we know that del of gradient of x equal to, we can solve this by two methods. First is Lagrange's multiplier, and the second is gradient of the function is equal to lambda times gradient of g. And in general we know gradient of the function f is del f by del x I cap plus del f by del y j cap plus del f by del z k cap. So then yz I cap plus xz j cap plus xy k cap is going to be equal to lambda times 18x I cap plus 72y j cap plus 8z k cap. This is the gradient vector, the gradient of the vector g, which is 9x square plus 36y square plus 4z square, which I got this as. So here we can say that yz is equal to lambda times 18x, and we can say that xyz equal to lambda 18x square, then xz is equal to lambda 72y, xyz is equal to lambda 72y square, and xy is equal to lambda 8z, and xyz again is equal to lambda 8z square. Now I can say that xyz is equal to 18x square lambda that is equal to 72y square lambda, which we have found before, and 8z square lambda. Since we know lambda cannot be equal to 0, we give a new constant, that is 18x square equal to 72y square equal to 8z square equal to k. So from this we can get that x square is equal to k by 18, y square is equal to k by 72, and z square is equal to k by 8. Let this be equation 1. Now I am putting the values of x square, y square plus z square in the previous equation, that was 9x square plus 36y square plus 4z square equal to 36. So here if I put the values of x, y and z, I get it as 9, 18 whole square plus 36 k by 72 whole square plus whole square, this is the whole squared value, plus 4 k by 8 equal to 36. So on solving this equation that we have written above, we will get k as equal to 4. K will be getting as 24, right? So now we put k equal to 24 in equation 1. This is what we have found. So we get x is equal to 2 by root 3, y is equal to 1 by root 3, and z equal to root 3. Now we know V max is equal to 8xyz or z. So this will be 8 2 by root 3, putting the values of x, y, z, 1 by root 3, root 3. So V max is equal to 16 by root 3. Now when I verify this by finding the partial derivatives and the critical points. So the equation is 9x square plus 36y square plus 4z square equal to 36. Now I'm writing this in terms of z. So 2z whole square is equal to 36 minus 9x square minus 36y square. So 2z is equal to square root of 36 minus 9x square minus 36y square, which will give me z is equal to 3 by 2 square root of 4 minus sorry 4 minus x square minus 4y square, right? So so now we can get v of x comma y comma z as equal to 8x. So v of x comma y is equal to 12xy square root 4 minus x square minus 4y square, right? Because this will be for vxyz is equal to 8xyz, and here I have put the value of z, which I got it earlier. So on partial derivative of v of x dv by dx, we get 24y divided by square root 4 minus x square minus 4y square 2 minus x square minus 2y square, and the partial derivative of the volume with respect to y, we get this, which is 12x divided by square root 4 minus x square minus 4y square, and this is 4 minus x square minus 8y square. So at the critical point, Vx is going to be 0 and V of y is going to be 0 only under the condition that z minus x square minus 2y square is equal to 0, and this is going to be true when 4 minus x square minus 8y square equal to 0. From solving this, I get x square 2 minus 2y square, and if when I substitute the value of x in this equation, I get 2 minus 6y square equal to 0, which gives me y equal to 1 by root 3, and putting the value of y in this equation, I get x equal to 2 by root 3. So from this we get to know that on putting the values of x and y, z equal to root 3 by 2 root 4 minus 4 by 3 minus 4 into 1 by root 3, which gives me z as root 3. So we know V max is equal to 8xyz. So 8 into the value of x is 2 by root 3 into 1 by root 3 into root 3, and hence we get V max is equal to 16 by root 3, which we have proved earlier and verified. Thank you.